Looking to upgrade your kitchen tools without breaking the bank? Today, we're reviewing the top 5 electric food processors under $200 in 2025. Each of these options offers solid performance, dependable features, and excellent value. Whether you're slicing vegetables, blending smoothies, or preparing dough, these machines can do it all. Let's get started. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Number 1. Ninja Mega Kitchen System BL770. The Ninja Mega Kitchen System is a powerful, multifunctional machine designed for serious kitchen tasks. It comes with a 1500-watt motor, a 72-ounce blender pitcher, a 64-ounce food processor bowl, and 2 personal cups with lids. You can use it to blend smoothies, process dough, chop vegetables, or even crush ice. What stands out? Its ability to handle both large and small batches makes it ideal for families or meal preppers. Cleanup is simple, and the parts are dishwasher safe. Key strengths: high-performance blending and processing. Versatile attachments. Strong build quality for daily use. Number 2. Ninja Professional XL Food Processor NF701. Next is the Ninja NF701. With a 1200-watt peak power motor and a 12-cup capacity, this model is built for efficiency. It includes multiple blades and discs for chopping, slicing, shredding, and kneading dough. The extra wide feed chute lets you add ingredients with less prep time. User feedback. Many buyers appreciate its precision and ease of use. It's particularly useful for consistent slicing and fast chopping. Highlights: extra large bowl for batch processing. Multiple functions in one unit. Smooth and quiet operation. Number 3. KitchenAid Stand Mixer Attachment KSM2FPA. If you already own a KitchenAid stand mixer, this food processor attachment is a smart add-on. It connects directly to your mixer's power hub and includes a commercial-style dicing kit, slicing disc, and shredding blade. Why it's unique? It offers powerful processing in a compact form. Plus, it uses your existing mixer base, saving counter space. Advantages: consistent and precise results. Great for dicing, slicing, and shredding. Compact and easy to store. Number 4. 1200W High-Speed Glass Blender and Food Processor Combo. This unit combines the functions of a blender and a food processor. With 1200 watts of power, a 59-ounce glass jar, and 14 pre-programmed settings, it handles everything from smoothies to hot soups. It also features a heating function and automatic cleaning mode. Why users like it? The glass jar adds durability, and the heating feature is useful for making warm recipes directly in the blender. Top features: built-in heating and keep warm mode. Strong motor for a variety of tasks. Glass construction with easy cleaning. Number 5. KitchenAid 13-Cup Food Processor. This model offers a balance of capacity and countertop space. With a 13-cup bowl, 3 speed options, and a powerful motor, it's built for day-to-day kitchen use. The adjustable slicing disc and large feed chute make prep work fast and precise. What makes it stand out? It runs quietly and feels sturdy, which is what you'd expect from a KitchenAid appliance. Key pros: compact yet high-capacity design. Consistent performance. Trusted brand reliability. Each of these food processors brings something different to the table, whether it's capacity, power, or versatility. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. For more product reviews and buying guides, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.